All right, here I had a 2016 Nissan Frontier with a 2.5 liter engine, and the customer was complaining that he had no AC. And what ended up happening was it actually had no Freon in it because it was leaking. And when I tried to put some in, it started to leak a lot from here, from this area right here. You can even hear it hissing. So what I did is I sprayed some bubbles or some water with soap, and it started bubbling up pretty good, meaning it had a big leak. And I tried to replace it with like one of these generic like O-ring packs, AC packs that they sell like at the store, at the auto store, and it just ended up leaking even more just because it's a exact, you have to find an exact fit, and this is the one I replaced it with. This is the part number, um if you need it. And if you can see here, the one on the right is the old one and the one on the left is the new one, and it was completely flat. It was almost like a square cut seal. So once I replaced that, it stopped leaking, but it ended up leaking at another place, which was at the other end of the hose, which is at the compressor. It's kind of hard to see here, but as you can see, that bolt down there, that's where the other end of that hose is. So I just ended up getting the same O-ring, and it's literally the same one. Put it back on, and then the car ran perfectly. And I noticed it was leaking because it was actually dripping like really green oil. So make sure you fill it back up with a little bit of oil and dye. I don't know if that was from the factory. It comes with dye. It probably does. And I think that's about it. And then you can also hear it hissing a little bit, and the AC performance wasn't that good, and because it was just leaking so bad. I'll leave a part number for the actual hose if you just want to replace the entire hose. They're pretty cheap, I think, if you just want to do that, because I think the O-rings were like over $10 each, so that was pretty crazy. And yeah, it's called the discharge line or a pressure hose. It literally comes from the compressor out to the condenser. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out.